wish I hated you. And after all this shit,